Okay, guys, good morning. Welcome to your mid-week analysis. So, let's go to the weekly here. So, US 100, as we already know on the weekly, hit this weekly uptrend and is set to recover in the next couple of weeks. I have a long-term 1K, which I'm going to hold until about mid-September. So, long-term trade here. If we look at the daily, stop loss is just below here. We haven't got any uptrend yet, so this is a little bit risky. Still have the downtrend, still making lower lows and lower highs. If we do see sells today, if we don't break this level here and we see sells, and then I will place a day trade to the downside, but I'm still going to keep this here. So right now, yes, we did move up. Yes, we have seen a little bit of sell pressure. Yes, we are seeing minor consolidation. We could actually move to the downside today. Who knows? It's moving to the upside right now, which tells me potentially this could have a little bit of a juicy sell later on, but never mind. We will hedge our trade, and there we go. That's basically it. There's nothing really to say other than we're just looking for this long-term trade here, and whatever happens today, if we do see sells, if we see a really big bearish engulfing candle, we'll place a trade to downside and hedge our trade. But if it moves to the upside, we will add to this. So what we will do, just like I explained yesterday on the live, if we just keep on moving to the upside, we will keep on day trading this. So we've already got our swing trade, right? We don't really need to do anything with this. But what we will do, we will also day trade this like we always do. So we can be making multiple positions with this and moving them to the upside, closing them at the end of the day, and keep on going like that. I am expecting around 2 or 3 in this. Probably about 3, 4 week move to the upside. We're probably going to have a little bit more than that. But 2 or 3 extra ones, including this one that we've got right now. So that's what I'm looking for on US 100. Let's take a look at US 30. So US 30 is kind of moving to the upside as well. We did have a move to the upside yesterday. Obviously, the same kind of pattern as US 100. Again, this could see a little bit of a move to the downside today. We do have this buy pressure here. Obviously, overall, it is moving to the downside. We could see the continued move to the downside, but we'll see what happens later on. It is a little bit high from the daily open, but we'll see what happens in the next couple of hours. The open isn't until 2:30. It's only 9:15 right now. So we don't know what's going to happen right now, but this is looking pretty good. Let's take a look at the daily. What did the daily close like yesterday? Closed as a indecision bar. Okay, fair enough. Today could close bullish. And then we've probably got a couple of days of consolidation before we move to the upside again, which is kind of standard. When we actually hit a zone, we do see a little bit of confusion, consolidation, and then move to the upside. So with this, we just need to be a little bit patient. Same with US 100. Let's take a look at gold. So we did actually have a trade on gold yesterday. Let's take a look at this. So we had a trade to the downside. We did take a little bit of profit here. It didn't really do what I expected it to do. I really expected a bigger move, but today we still have this level right here. So this could move to the downside today. Let's have a look at whether gold is still weak. So gold's a minus 2.2, minus 2 for the USD. Medium term gold is still weaker, long term gold is stronger. So it's not as weak as yesterday, but obviously, if we do continue to move to the downside and gold sees a little bit more weakness, I wouldn't sell it now with that fundamental direction. It just doesn't make sense. I'm going to be looking for moves to the downside. So anything now, bearish engulfing, breaking 2,380, let's say. I'm going to be looking for moves to the downside. I can place my stop loss just above here. TP is going to be 2,350. That's the level with the most buy pressure. We can probably go a little bit further. So like as a bonus TP, we can go to 2,340. So that's what we're looking for there. On gold, let's take a look at what has happened in crypto. So let's just take a look at this for the next minute. Right? Just take a little look here. So crypto's now, Bitcoin's at 57,000. So what are we like on the weekly? Look at that. Huge pin bar on the weekly again. This could absolutely plummet again. Doesn't mean that it's recovering, but the worst day since 2022 has basically recovered, which is nice. Ethereum, yes, now at 2,500. Shiba, pin bar actually up for the week now. Doge is near enough up for the week as well. So it seems like there's a trend here. US 100, pin bar, probably going to recover for the week. And then obviously Bitcoin and everything like that as well. So it is looking pretty positive, pretty bullish, and potential moves to the upside here. I do like this double bottom. This is a very risky swing trade because we don't have higher highs yet. We don't have the overall direction. We don't have a weekly close. We don't have a lot of things, but I wanted to get in early. So that's the reason why. So thank you guys. That is your midweek analysis. Trade safe, and I shall see you on Friday. Take care.